Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and the game is stuck on black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 stuck on black screen easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to update your graphic card's drivers to the latest ones. So you're going to open up your web browser and here I'm going to show you AMD first and then I'll show you Nvidia and Intel. Click onto resources and support, click drivers here, scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. Click on your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers here. After you're done with that, you're going to go on to nvidia.com, click onto drivers. You're going to click onto drivers and then you're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphics card along with your operating system. Click find then, and now it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. After it's done finding the drivers, you're going to install the drivers on your computer. Now onto Intel, click onto intel.com, click onto support here and then click download center. You're going to click onto graphics here. You're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc 8380 for example. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now I'll show you a fix for AMD and Nvidia. You're going to right click on your computer, go into AMD software. You're going to come here and then you're going to search for shader cache. And then you're going to click on to perform reset on reset shader cache and you're going to reset your shader cache. And now onto Nvidia, you're going to right click on your desktop, go into Nvidia control panel. You're going to go into help then and then you're going to click onto debug mode and then it will set your graphic card settings to the factory settings. And now you're going to click close on here and then you're going to open up your Xbox app. It doesn't matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. And then you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, click onto gaming services repair tool and then click start repairing here. And now wait for it to complete this process. Once it's done, you're going to click close on here and then you're going to minimize the Xbox app. You can open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files and then click verify integrity of game files here. After you do that, now you're going to click browse on here or you're going to go to the Forza Horizon 6 games folder. The default location should be in your C drive. Program file is 6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Forza Horizon 6. Right click on the Forza Horizon 6 exe, click properties, compatibility, click on to disable full screen optimizations and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you can go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6 and you will see that your game will not be stuck on a black screen anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.